Today we have before us logarithm. I really want to teach this topic for several reasons. I'm not here to talk about the reason, but let's look at it. Logarithms. What is logarithm? That logarithm of a number to a given base is the power to which the base is raised to give that number. For instance, if we have log 100 base 10, the question is this: what number will you raise 10 to get 100? That number is 2, meaning 10 raised to power 2 will give you 100. That is what we're talking about. Also, let's see log 8 base 2. The question is, what power will I raise 2 to get 8? I mean, what will I raise 2 to the power of that will give me 8? You know, 8 is the same thing as 2 to the power 3. So, log 8 base 2 is 3. So, we go to the laws of logarithm. For this class, I'm going to bring out 5 basic law of logarithm that we're going to be looking at. So for number 1, the first law we're going to be bringing out is this: log base 10 a times b gives us log a base 10 plus log b base 10. Meaning, if you have you multiply two numbers such that they are in a common base, it is the same thing as adding them differently, like this: log a base 10 plus log b base 10. This is what it means. The first law we're going to be looking at. The second law we'll look at is this: log base 10, you have a divided by b. Simply put this way: log a base 10 minus log b base 10. Second law is that log a divided by b base 10 is same thing as log a base 10 minus log b base 10. We go to the third law, which gives us this: that when you have 3, you have log, say, b base b, something like this, raised to power b raised to power c, something like this. This is the same thing as c as a coefficient, log capital B base b. This is what the third law says. The fourth law says that the fourth law says this. Fourth law, that log 0 base b, okay, log 1 base b equal to 0. Log 1 base b equal to 0. That's the fourth law we're having here. Then the fifth law, I'll put it down here. Fifth law is that log b base b is equal to 1. These are the laws of indices that we're going to be looking at. The first one is log a times b base 10 is the same as or is equal to log a base 10 plus log b base 10. The second one is this: log a divided by b base 10 is equal to log a base 10 minus log b base 10. The third one is log b raised to power c base b is equal to c log b base b. The fourth one is log 1 base b is 0. And the fifth one is log b base b equal to 1. Equal to 1. We're going to be taking examples actually to look at how these laws are applied. Let's look at how these laws are applied. We have this. Log 9 base 2 plus log 81 base 2 minus log 27 base 2. They all have the same basis. So you bring them out, the log and base, log base 2. This is 9. Addition here signifies multiplication. 81 minus here, subtraction here means division, divided by 27. So if you look at this critically, you notice that this is log base 2. If you divide, you have 9 times 3. So to be log base 2, 27 base 2, log 27 base 2. We can say this, we can do this. This is the same thing as log 3 base 3, 3 raised to power 3 base 2, which is the same thing as 3 log 3 base 2. We've applied all the laws, most of the laws actually here from this point. Addition, subtraction, we changed it. Now we got to this point. We now simplified to get this. That is the first example. Let's look at this second question. You have log x base 3 minus log x plus 2 base 3 equal to 2. First, we'll simplify using the law of logarithm. You have negative sign here, so you divide. This becomes log x over x plus 2 base 3 equal to 2. The next, you're going to make the other side to have, of the second side, you have log base 3 x bracket x plus 2 equals to log 3 raised to power 2 base 3. Now, if you look at this, this is same thing as, okay, I can say this 2 times 2. Let me use this one because we know log 3 base 3 is 1 and we're using log base 3, so they can fit. So this is x over, this is log 3. This is x plus 2 equal to log base 3 power 2. The next step. Now we can do this. We'll cancel out the log. So we now have, I'll do it somewhere here. We now have x over x plus 2 equal to 9. 3 to the power 2 is 9. Wow. We now have this. This is the same thing as 9 over 1. We can clear fraction now. We can clear fraction by This will give us x equal to, that's x times 1 is x, and this is 9 bracket x plus 2. This gives us x equal to 9x plus 18. This gives us x minus 9x, when you collect like terms, equal to 18. So this is minus 8x equal to 18. Then I think we know what's next to do. So x becomes 18 over minus x, which is minus 9 over 4. So that's the value of x. That's the value of x.